How to put promo codes in Subway app. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can put promo codes in Subway app. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Subway app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the coupons option. From here, you can get different coupons. So if you want to use any of that, you can simply tap on that, then enter your delivery address over here. Then tap on the order now option. But if you have another coupon code, then all you want to do is place an order. For that, head over to the order tab, then go ahead and select your preferred order. Now enter details such as new address, area name, block number, street name, building, house number, floor number. Once you have entered all of these information, on the checkout screen, you want to look for add a promo code option. There, you simply want to enter your promo code. Then you want to tap on the apply coupon option. Now submit your order. Then follow the on-screen prompts to place your order, and in this way you can easily put promo codes in Subway app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.